Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2016 Toyota Sienna LE 3.5 liter V6. You can see the paint is in excellent shape. All the door panels, dash, very nice shape, non-smoking car. All of the buttons, passenger seat. Automatic rear sliding doors, captain chairs, third row seating, temperature controls up top too. Passenger sides, no dings. Driver's door, excellent shape. Has about 134,000 miles on it, which is nothing for Toyota. Driver's seat, excellent shape as well. Headliner. We will start it up for you real quick. Headlights, nice and clear. This car gets about 18 in the city, 25 miles per gallon on the freeway. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for a nice van to move the family around, soccer team, whatever you may need, give us a call, 858-382-1319. The video, pictures, Carfax will be on our website at iconiccoach.com. You can also submit a credit application there as well as see the Carfax. If you have any questions, thank you for watching. Give us a call.